Hello, we are Accelerated and streaming not so live from Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. Unfortunately, we could not make it to Cape Town, but this is the second best option. My name is Robbie, and I'm the founder and CEO of Accelerated.
My name is Petter. I'm the country director here in Ethiopia.
So we are a teacher coaching company, operational for about 2.5 years now, working with many teachers and helping them promote 21st century skills in the classroom.
So, as you all know, the public enemy number one in the education sector is chalk and talk, or the lecture method. It's boring for the students, it's boring for the teachers, and it leads to low results.
And the current curriculum on the textbooks fail many students by not focusing on the 21st century skills that are extremely crucial, like collaboration, communication, teamwork, creativity, and critical thinking. And this is a big problem that we are helping teachers address by giving them the tools and the techniques to promote all of these skills in the classroom every day. Our coaching model is called Teach Easy. Once a school signs up with us, each teacher gets access to a dedicated coach, and the coach provides them with 4 areas of support. So the coach provides them with pedagogical trainings on key aspects of teaching in the classroom, and we also provide every teacher with a gamified system of goals that helps them increase their performance every day. And the coach visits the classroom to collect data on teacher and student performance while measuring the strengths and weaknesses of every teacher. And finally, all of this data is combined to provide targeted and personalized scorecards, dashboards, and feedback to every teacher at the end of every month.
And this is a model that actually works. Recent research coming out of South Africa, as well as from leading universities in the US, are proving that this is the most effective way to actually change teacher practice in the classroom. So all of this is not just an idea or a theoretical concept. We're actually today working with 11,500 students. And we do this through our 500 teachers that are enrolled in our coaching platform, coaching program, and through our 20 partnership schools.
Yeah, and this growth might as well make us one of the fastest growing education companies on the continent. So over the last 6 months, what we have done is collected tons of data. We've collected baseline data for teachers before the start of the program. And over the last 5 months, we've also tracked their regular performance in the classroom and collected other forms of data, qualitative data, like school leader interviews, teacher interviews, and student interviews as well. And we've seen amazing results so far.
And the number we're most proud of, as you can see highlighted in red here on the screen, is the student participation. So since in just 5 months, we've seen an increase of 51% in student participation, meaning that students who were not participating before, who were just passive listeners, are now taking an active part in the lessons.
Yeah, and school leaders and teachers are extremely satisfied with our program, and most of the growth comes because of their satisfaction. And we are able to grow very quickly within each school and add more teachers every day. While we are growing very fast, the problem is a huge problem. Schools in Africa need about 10 million teachers in the next 3 years. This is something beyond Ethiopia. This is not one country's problem. This is a systemic problem across the continent. And our plan for scale is very aggressive, and we want to scale by, number one, expanding regionally. We are focusing on new markets in East Africa. We've already set up, committed to pilots with school chains in Tanzania as well, and we're exploring a couple of new pilots in Kenya this year. And schools in South Africa have as well approached us to run a couple of pilots with them. We're still in exploring phases with all of that.
So how will we reach all of these teachers? Well, we have what we call our Teach Easy platform, which is enabling teacher coaches anyone to actually be a teacher coach.
Yeah, so over the last 2 years, we've collected tremendous amount of data on any teaching situation that you could think of in a classroom that is in the African context. This is a context where schools are low resource, teachers are having limited skills, and classrooms are huge. So like this is something that we have developed deep understanding about, and we are folding all of this into an amazing teacher coach facing tool that any coach can use to deliver amazing coaching advice to any teacher anywhere.
And this is what makes our teacher coaching uniquely scalable.
And also extremely cost efficient. So thanks a lot for your attention. Let me know in case of any questions. Happy to engage always. Thanks.